Hi, this is Jupiter Jim from jupiterjim.com, and I'm going to show you how to create and add a favicon to your blog, and in just a moment you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Now, first, step number one, this demonstration blog uses the WordPress version 3.0.5 and the Thesis theme 1.8. Now in step 2 you definitely need to be using the Thesis theme 1.8 or a higher version of the Thesis theme in order for this demo to work on your blog or to apply to you. Number 3, you must create the favicon in a .png or a .ico format. I prefer to work in the .png, which stands for Portable Network Graphics. Okay, step 4, use your favorite graphic design software to create the favicon. I happen to use Fireworks version 8. You can use Paint or whatever makes you happy. If you don't have a graphic design program already, you can just, in step 5 up here, you can search Google for a free graphic design software. Step 6, if you have a logo already, you may just want to convert it from whatever file format you have, for instance .gif, .gif, or maybe it's a .jpeg, and convert it into a .ico or .png format. Once again, I do prefer the .png. Step 7, you can find a free file converter program on Google. Just search it out. Convert from .gif to .png and you'll give you a list of programs, many of them free. Step 8, the favicon will show up just as a point of interest next to the name of your blog. If somebody bookmarks or adds your blog to their favorites list, just to the left of the name of your blog there will be the little favicon that you are creating and adding here. Number 9 is a point of interest. Favicon is short for favorite icon. At least this is what I've heard. That seems to make some sense. Okay, let's get started. Okay, this is Jupiter Jim. I'm at my Google Chrome browser. I'm going to give you an example of a few favicons, and then we're going to create one, upload it to my demonstration blog here, Jim's Max GXL Marketing Team, and then we'll be done with this demonstration. Okay, so we're looking right up here. You can see where it says TWC on the upper left hand corner right there. This TWC is the favicon for the Weather Channel. You can see that. I'm going to click here. This little favicon up there stands for or symbolizes Google. I'm going to click here. This is Jupiter Jim's Marketing Team. I just created my very own simple favicon because I do not yet have a logo. I haven't decided on a logo, so I just used JJ. And by the way, don't call me JJ. I hate that nickname, but it's good for a little favicon thing going on here. Now, in the reason I chose, okay, let me go here. You can see that with the TWC, it's blue background. With the JJ here, it's a blue background. It blends right in with the tab or a white background. It changes, and that's because when I created that favicon, I used a transparent background. So when you create your favicon, you may want to think about that. Okay, right here at Jim's Max GXL Marketing Team, right here at the demonstration blog, Jim's Max GXL Marketing Team, there already is a favicon, and it's the default favicon for Host Monster, an H there and the M for Monster, H and M together for Host Monster, and that's default because that's where this demonstration blog is being hosted right now. Okay, so let's just go right now. I'm going to click on this tab, and we're going to create a favicon that looks something like that. So let me go over here, create new. I'm going to have a white background for this demonstration, and we're going to modify the size. The important thing for the image size is that it's square, which means all sides must be equal. Now I'm just going to do, let's just say 250 by 250. So every side is going to be 250 pixels. I'm going to leave the resolution at 72. That's all you need for the internet. And there it is. It's a perfect square. I'm going to pick my color here, and I'm going to make it a blue. And then I'm going to pick the shape that I want to create, and let's just go here and see what happens. So there it is. And there is my star. We'll just pretend that that star is my logo. I'm going to save this. Now I'm going to click outside here. You can see that's what it looks like. I'm going to click File, Save As. I'm going to click on that to give it a name. So instead of Favicon Practice 3, I'm going to call this Favicon Practice 4. Click Save. Minimize that. Go back over to the dashboard. Here's the blog right here, Jim's Max JXL Marketing Team. Now normally you'd log in, but I've already done that, so it brings me right to the dashboard of my blog, Jim's Max JXL Marketing Team. You can see that. We're going to scroll down to where it says Thesis, the Thesis tab. I'm going to click on Favicon Uploader. I'm going to choose the file. I'm going to click once there. I'm going to go here, Open. I'm going to click Upload, and you can click here to remove it. So in the future, if you want to replace it with another one, you'd want to click here to remove it first. Favicon Updated, check out your site. Like I've said in previous videos, I never check that. I'd rather go up here, right click, get the drop down menu, and open link in new tab. If you're in a Mac, what you want to do is press Control and then click Jim's Max JXL Marketing Team, and then you'll get this drop down menu. Click Open Link in New Tab. There's the new tab. Now we do not yet have the up here you can see the Favicon has not yet uploaded. It sometimes takes time to do that. As a matter of fact, it usually takes time. So what we're going to do is just pause the video for a second and wait until that propagates down from the server down to the browser. Okay, I paused the video and now I'm resuming it. You can see if we look right up here that the Favicon has been uploaded. It's now in the browser tab. Right there you've got a blue star with a white background, and you don't see the white because it blends in with the tab. If I click on another tab, then you can see we got the white background. Now if you don't want that white to show up, you would create your Favicon on a transparent background in your graphic design program, and that's exactly what I did over here. So you can see whether it's a blue background for the JJ or whether it's a white background, it blends right in because it's transparent. Okay, I'm going to go back to the admin panel of my blog one more time. I just want to point out it says choose a .ico or a .png image file with a square aspect ratio from your computer. Now if you already have your logo, you may just want to convert that into a .png. That's probably the easiest thing. You can also convert it into a .ico. And that's all there is basically to creating a Favicon and uploading it. Thanks a million. Hope you enjoyed this. Please click the like button if there's one below this video, and definitely leave your comments. That's what keeps me motivated. Take care and have a great day.